Hey, welcome to another unboxing video on Polara YT, your favorite 5-year-old mediocre variety channel. Today we'll be checking out the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, which came out earlier this year. This one is in the Phantom Black color. This unboxing video is actually going to be a shorter one because this is not going to replace my personal phone, which is a 2-year-old Galaxy A52 5G, and I am recording with right now. Instead, this Galaxy S23 Plus is actually a family member's new phone, my father's to be specific, and therefore I won't be setting up the phone for him. He can do it himself. It's his phone after all. The regular price of this phone in Canada is $1399.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which this phone has. But at the time of purchase, there was a $220 discount, which meant the price of this phone was $1179.99. And with that said, let's unbox this phone. Interesting package design. How do you... Oh, there we go. We'll just take this weird cover off. And here's the phone. Nice! So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. It has a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 12-megapixel front camera and built-in speaker somewhere on the top. This screen is slightly larger than my Galaxy A52 5G at 6.5 inches. On the back, we have 3 cameras. The one on the top is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, the middle is a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, and the bottom one is a 10-megapixel telephoto camera that also features 3 times optical zoom. And this is a flash. On the top of the phone, we have a microphone, nothing on the left. On the bottom is a SIM card tray, I don't know if you can see that, which doesn't include one for micro SD cards. Why did they get rid of it? We also have 2 more microphones on each end of the USB-C port, apparently, and another speaker. And finally, on the right, we have the power button and volume controls. We'll set this aside for now. What else is in the box? Oh, we have a USB-C to C charging cable. Boy, am I jealous. We have what I believe is the quick start guide, and the ejection pin for the SIM card tray. I'm going to assume that nothing is in here, so I guess that's it. No charging brick in the box, which is fine with us actually because we have way too many chargers from the endless amounts of tech we buy. Anyways, back to the phone. This phone does feel slightly heavier than my A52 5G without a case, minus the slightly larger display as I said before. It does generally feel really nice. I like the matte finish on the back. Anyway, let's give this a charge and boot it up for the first time. Yeah, this is just getting ridiculous. I guess I'll just use this one. Oh, by the way, my father also got a new laptop, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of that right after this. Okay, charging is finished. Alright, let's finally boot this up for the first time. Oh. Very nice display. Samsung never disappoints with its AMOLED smartphone screens. Now, as I said, this is not going to be my new personal phone, but my father's, so all I can really do now is shut it down and put everything back in the box. But I am getting jealous as we speak. Press and hold the side and volume down keys. What? Really? Did they really change that? Come on, this is the power button. It should be used to... Okay, there we go. Now we can actually shut it down. God, that's so weird. And that concludes the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. I hope you enjoyed. Please like this video if you did, and subscribe to get the latest updates of new Polara YT videos. I'll see you next time when I unbox the laptop. Goodbye.